Hello everyone, my name is Thangkum and today I'm going to share short knowledge of streaming and recording and reaction and content creation. Those who want to play game or and those who want to do streamer in laptop and it will be very helpful. Those who want to do record or like making some record and sharing in social media, and those who want to do reaction, taking some short video from Instagram or anything, and you want to make fun and you want to upload in social media and YouTube, maybe Facebook, and maybe anything, any social platform, and content creator, and those who want to do content creator, and this will be very helpful for you because in this summer I have done my first semester MBA first semester, and this summer I am learning this OBS studio, and this today I have learned today, and finally I got this four idea. It will be very helpful for you, very easy, and I have watched every YouTube channel, almost every I watch. So this will be very helpful for you, and I think this will be very easy. And first, you have to go and download this page, OBS Studio. You just go to Facebook. You just go to Google and or Chrome, or you can just download. And you just go and download here. After that, here after you download, you will see this kind of cycle mark. You see what mark? I will teach this kind of mark, and this short video very helpful. And after that, see, you see, you are streaming or recording. You can do say here cycle one and reaction, making fun, or content creation. You just shorting and you make explaining again this time. And after that, here I will explain background. See, the you see background? Here before it's not seen now. See before, and this, see, I have changing. Okay, so this kind of background also I will explain. So please, you you just wait next video. I will export in there. I hope it will be very easy for you and helpful for you. Thank you for your watching, and please like and share.